NBC 10 First Alert meteorologist Steve Sosno joins us now. Let's talk about that threat for coastal flooding.
Yeah, that's right. That's the big story tomorrow in our coastal towns. Now, a lot of people are not down at the shore because it's not the season, but there are a good number of people that do stay down there year round. And there are some certain shore towns, Denise, I want to walk you through tonight that will probably have the flooding worse than others, because we want to get specific here, let you know who has the worst threat of this. And as you can see, it's up and down the coastline from New Jersey all the way down into Delaware. So most of the morning you're going to start off and it looks like this. Around 7, 8 o'clock in the morning. The water is where it should be, low tide. But then as that wind continues, and we don't have a full moon, we don't have a new moon, so usually that makes things even worse. But this 30 to 40 mile per hour wind that you see right here, well, that's going to continue and be persistent. And when that happens, it draws all that water onto the beaches, and then eventually, especially the back bays, spills over onto the roadways, and we're expecting this water to be 1 to 2 feet above ground level. So that's why we're so concerned about this. So again, it's that northeast wind and those tides right around midday tomorrow and Monday. That's the problem. And as you can see, there's that coastal flood warning that we're going to be tracking. But again, there's some specific spots that flood when we have a northeast wind. In fact, areas like West Wildwood, so right around here, this is what happens. The water just comes piling down out of the north and east. So West Wildwood, you know that this is a problem with northeast winds. It will be a problem tomorrow. Sea Isle City as well, that back bay portion. This is where we have the water filling on in, that wind continuing to pile it down. Ocean City, very vulnerable with that. Not only do we have the back bay side, we have all the north side of the beach side. So again, certain spots